Imagine mining cryptocurrency, not with power-hungry computers or complex algorithms, but right from the palm of your hand using your smartphone. Envision a world where accessing digital currency is as simple as tapping a button on your phone. Forget about investing in expensive, specialized hardware that guzzles electricity. No need to worry about your phone's battery draining away in minutes. This isn't about burning resources. It's about accessibility. That's the core vision behind the Pi network. It's a bold attempt to democratize cryptocurrency, making it available to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. The goal is simple: digital currency for everyone, everywhere. A truly global currency that transcends borders and empowers individuals across the world. With a simple daily tap on your smartphone, you accumulate Pi coins. It's a low-effort way to participate in the network and potentially benefit from its growth. You're not just mining a coin, you're joining a global community of like-minded individuals, all aiming to build a real-world ecosystem around Pi, fostering utility and value beyond just speculation. It's not just another coin, it's a community-driven project. For years, millions of users worldwide have patiently mined Pi, believing in its potential and contributing to its growth. They've been the backbone of the network, steadily accumulating Pi coins. All this time, they've been waiting, anticipating Pi's next big leap forward, the moment when their mined Pi can finally be put to use. The core team's deliberate, secure, and methodical approach to development is finally paying off, laying a solid foundation for the future of Pi. They've prioritized security and stability over rapid expansion, and now, a major update is finally here, bringing with it significant changes and improvements to the Pi network. This update introduces a crucial feature: a secure and reliable way to link your real-world identity to your digital wallet, ensuring accountability and trust within the network. This is setting the stage for Pi's future, paving the way for a robust and trustworthy ecosystem where Pi can be used for real-world transactions. This is all about KYC, Know Your Customer, a vital process for ensuring the integrity and security of any financial network. It's a process that might seem complex, but don't worry, we'll explain it in detail soon, guiding you through each step. The new synchronization tool included in this update directly addresses and solves a frustrating issue that many users have encountered. Specifically, it resolves the problem of mismatched KYC status between the Pi app on your phone and your overall Pi network account. Think of it as making absolutely sure that your important exam results are accurately recorded and officially verified, preventing any potential discrepancies. This seemingly technical fix is actually a huge step forward for the overall health and continued progress of the entire Pi network ecosystem. For both veteran Pi miners and those who are just now joining the network, this update clearly signals that Pi is getting serious about its future. It brings the network one step closer to the highly anticipated Open Mainnet launch, the point where your hard-earned Pi can finally be freely used and traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. KYC synchronization is essential because it ensures that only real verified individuals are able to participate in this emerging digital economy, fostering trust and preventing fraud. The relatively quiet days of simply mining Pi are about to get a whole lot more exciting as the Pi network prepares to unleash its full potential on the world. Let's break down the new feature, a crucial update designed to streamline your KYC verification process within the Pi network ecosystem. This feature directly addresses a common pain point experienced by many pioneers. It's all about the Synchronize Status on Mining App button. This seemingly simple button holds the key to resolving frustrating discrepancies in KYC status reporting. For many, KYC approval in the Pi browser, the dedicated space for completing your identity verification, didn't show up in the mining app, creating a disconnect between your verified status and the core Pi network application. This discrepancy caused confusion and delays, leaving many pioneers wondering about the status of their KYC and their readiness for mainnet migration. The uncertainty was palpable, and the need for a solution was clear. This button is a one-click fix, a direct and efficient way to bridge the gap between your KYC approval in the Pi browser and its reflection in the mining app. By tapping this button, you're essentially forcing the app and browser to sync your real KYC status, ensuring that both platforms are aligned and displaying the correct information. It's about unifying your identity verification across the Pi network. It's like hitting refresh, giving the system a nudge to update and reflect your current KYC standing. It ensures your progress finally shows up, eliminating the frustrating lag and providing you with the confirmation you need to move forward. Just go to your mainnet checklist, the central hub for tracking your progress towards mainnet migration, tap the button, and the system updates your status, reflecting your verified identity and unlocking the next steps in the mainnet migration process. For most, this ends weeks or months of uncertainty, bringing clarity and resolution to a process that has been a source of anxiety for many. Why is this so important? Why should you care about this seemingly small button? It puts control in your hands, empowering you to take charge of your KYC status and ensure its accurate reflection across the Pi network. It shifts the dynamic, placing the power in your hands, not just the core teams. It's about decentralization and user empowerment. Now, verified users can move forward, confident in their KYC status and ready to participate fully in the Pi network ecosystem. They are ready for mainnet migration, the next significant step in the evolution of the Pi network. It's a smart, user-friendly solution designed with the pioneer in mind, simplifying a complex process and making it accessible to everyone. That clears a major roadblock, removing a significant obstacle that has hindered the progress of many pioneers. This step is essential for Pi's next phase, the transition to open mainnet and the realization of the Pi network's full potential. It's about ensuring every real pioneer is ready for launch, prepared to participate in the next chapter of the Pi network's journey. The network is cleaning up, getting organized, streamlining processes, and optimizing its infrastructure for the future, and preparing for the big day, the launch of Open Mainnet, a pivotal moment in the history of the Pi network. With this fix, a targeted solution to a specific problem, the path to Open Mainnet is clearer than ever, paving the way for a brighter future for the Pi network and its dedicated community of pioneers. Why all the focus on identity? Isn't crypto supposed to be anonymous? KYC Know Your Customer is standard for banks and now many crypto projects. It stops fraud, money laundering, and ensures one person, one account. Without KYC, bots could create fake accounts and hoard Pi, ruining fair distribution. KYC ties every account to a real human, protecting the network's integrity. It's also crucial for Pi's future. Partners and payment processors need to trust the system. KYC signals Pi is serious, compliant, and ready for real-world use. Passing KYC is your ticket to the mainnet and the real Pi economy. It's not just a hurdle, it's the foundation for a trusted global community. As pioneers complete KYC, many see a new status tentative approval. It's a provisional pass. Your application looks good but needs final checks. With millions of users and countless document types, the system uses tentative approval to keep things moving while running deeper verifications. For users, it's a positive sign. You're almost there. You can often proceed with other mainnet steps while waiting. The core team urges patience. Final approval is systematic and thorough. Don't resubmit or contact support. Just wait. Tentative approval shows Pi isn't cutting corners, it's building a secure foundation. The process may take time, but it's about protecting the network. If you see tentative approval, you're on the right track.
This year, Pi2Day feels closer than ever to the finish line.
Expect hackathons, new merchant announcements, and educational content.
The core team usually marks Pi2Day with major updates or roadmaps.
Pioneers share dreams and celebrate progress together.
Social media buzzes with predictions and encouragement.
It's like a tech conference keynote. Updates, new initiatives, and a sense of community.
Pi2Day is when pioneers worldwide tune in, hoping for news about the open mainnet and the project's future.
This year, excitement is at an all-time high with new KYC features and the sync button rollout.
Pi2Day has become a major event, filled with anticipation and big announcements.
Every year, the Pi community celebrates Pi Day on March 14th and Pi2Day on June 28th. 2 times Pi, get it?
Pi2Day is about hope, optimism, and the countdown to something big.
Even wild predictions fuel the excitement.
Some dream of surprise partnerships or revolutionary features.
Concrete data keeps the global community motivated for the final push.
A detailed roadmap and stats on KYC and mainnet migration would boost trust.
Utility is key. New apps, e-commerce, and games could debut, showing Pi's real-world value.
Even an update would electrify the community.
The core team is cautious, but the KYC push has many hoping for a big announcement.
That's the dream. Pi becomes public, tradable, and connected to other blockchains.
As Pi2Day 2025 nears, speculation is everywhere. Will Open Mainnet finally launch? For now, the Binance dream motivates the community, symbolizing mainstream success. But first, Pi must finish building its foundation.
With over 55 million users, Pi would be a huge draw for exchanges.
Any Binance listing can only happen after Open Mainnet is live and stable.
The core team focuses on building utility, not chasing listings, and warns against fake IOUs.
Recently, a Binance poll mentioning Pi reignited excitement, but caution is needed.
When Binance is a meme and a serious hope, listing there would mean instant global exposure.
Among all the Pi rumors, one name stands out: Binance. In the world of cryptocurrency, price fluctuations are part of the game. For true believers in Pi network, these short-term dips are often viewed as nothing more than background noise. They understand that the true potential of Pi lies far beyond the daily price charts. The real work of building a robust and sustainable ecosystem is still ahead. It requires dedicated effort, innovation, and a long-term vision. The foundation is being laid brick by brick, line by line of code.
Positive news and developments continuously emerge from the core team. These updates often highlight progress, partnerships, and strategic initiatives. Such announcements could reverse any negative sentiment instantly, injecting renewed confidence and optimism into the community. The market is sensitive to news, and positive developments can act as a powerful catalyst.
If you're scared by a fake price dip, you don't get the vision. You're not seeing the forest for the trees. The true value lies in the long-term potential, not the short-term volatility.
Real value will come from the ecosystem that is being carefully cultivated. This includes the applications, services, and utilities built on the Pi network. This value will truly be unlocked after Open Mainnet, when the network becomes fully operational and accessible to the wider world. The focus should be on building and contributing to the ecosystem, not on IOU speculation and the artificial prices they create.
The core Pi community isn't fazed by these fake price swings. They understand the difference between speculation and genuine value. They're in it for the long haul, committed to the long-term vision of Pi network. They are not day traders looking for a quick profit.
Some speculators, driven by fear or greed, may choose to sell out, but core pioneers, the true believers, stay focused on building and contributing to the network. They remain dedicated to mining and accumulating real Pi, the actual digital currency.
The recent dip in IOU prices is likely due to broader market trends affecting the entire cryptocurrency space. It's also influenced by impatience within the community regarding Pi's long and carefully planned development timeline. Building something truly revolutionary takes time.
Many watch these IOU prices as a hint of future sentiment and potential value, but it's crucial to remember that these IOU prices are inherently unreliable and do not reflect the true value of Pi.
IOUs are speculative placeholders, representing a promise of future Pi, not the actual currency itself. They are a derivative, not the real thing.
You may have noticed Pi IOU prices dipping on some exchanges recently. This is a common occurrence in the volatile world of crypto. But it's essential to remember, and we can't stress this enough, these aren't real Pi coins and shouldn't be taken as an accurate representation of Pi's value. The Open Mainnet is no longer a dream, it's an approaching milestone. The best is yet to come.
It's a crowdsourced revolution in finance.
Every pioneer helps build value, from KYC to app development.
Pi's strength isn't hype. It's the community, tens of millions united for a fair digital future.
Joining now means being part of a global movement on the verge of something big.
The vision of a peer-to-peer ecosystem is closer than ever.
For newcomers, now's the time to get involved as Pi shifts from accumulation to real utility.
The core team's careful approach is proving wise. They're building a fortress, not a sandcastle.
With KYC Sync and Pi2Day buzz, it feels like the final chapter is beginning.
As June 2025 arrives, anticipation is at its peak for the Pi network.